We are working on a 2017 Volkswagen Jetta. It's a 1.4 liter CZT motor, and customer's complaint is the check engine light's on and she has an extreme lack of power. Let's get it scanned. Okay, we have a trouble code there for radiator fan, turbocharger boost system performance, coolant pump for intercooler, random cylinder misfire, cylinder 1 misfire, and map sensor code. Obviously, since the customer's concern is with low power, we're going to address this first. We'll check into the other stuff, but right now this video is going to be about the turbocharger boost system. I believe the map sensor code might be related to that also. Let's take a look under the hood. This is a CZT engine. It's a 1.4 turbo. And the turbo actuator is back here. They have a common problem with disconnecting. I don't know if you can see that, but I can see it's disconnected. It breaks, the rod breaks loose from the lever. Okay, this one is definitely disconnected. Probably hard for you to see on camera, but you can see the rod. That's the rod right there. And if you follow my finger out, it's not connected to anything right there. There's the part of the lever that it's broken away from. So it'll take some work to pull some of this stuff out, unbolt the actuator, take the piece off the lever, and we'll weld that back on. And here, of course, is the two broken pieces. We're going to put that on there like that. Oh, maybe like this. And then weld it in place. Wow, that was nice. And as you see, it's on there good. Hopefully it'll last for a while for them, and it'd be a much cheaper repair than replacing this. This is available from the dealership. It's quite expensive though. Okay, so we have finished up the installation of the actuator after we welded it up. FYI, I believe that could have been done in the car. I just wanted to make it easy to video for you guys to view it also. But we've already been in here and my employee has already cleared the codes. But obviously we would want to clear the codes. No codes have reoccurred. We also put a fan on it, so that fan code was gone also. But at this point you do have to run the basic settings. We did have a trouble code because the basic settings weren't run, and so we click that, and then we go to initial activation of charge pressure actuator. And once we select that and click go, it starts running, and over at the car you will see the actuator stroking all the way, one way and then the other. And what that means is it's really difficult to see, but it's stroking in and out. Okay, and it says it's finished here, and that was absolutely necessary to do because it was triggering a trouble code that it hadn't been relearned. We should have videoed that as it was going on
but unfortunately my employee was moving forward without me videoing. So hopefully this video helps someone out there, and if you learned anything from this video, be sure and watch, like, and subscribe, and visit my website at www.kansascitytdi.com.